Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about types of organizational structure, in which we will talk about line organizational structure, line and staff organizational structure, functional organizational structure, project organizational structure and matrix organizational structure. One by one we discuss about each. So firstly we are going to talk about line organizational structure. In this type of organization, authority flow from top to bottom. In this type of organizational structure, authority flow from top to bottom. Or we can say that in this type of organization, superiors will give order to their subordinates and subordinates are responsible to fulfill the order of their superiors. In this type of organization, superiors will give order to their subordinates and subordinates are responsible to fulfill the order of their superiors. In this diagram, you can see president is superior of vice president. That's why president will give order to vice president and vice president is responsible to fulfill the order of president. Same way, manager A, manager B, manager C are subordinates of vice president. Vice president will give them order and they are responsible to fulfill the order of vice president. Same way, assistant manager will fulfill the order of manager. Now we are going to talk about line and staff organizational structure. In this type of organization, we combined line executives and staff executives. In this type of organization, we combined line executives and staff executives. Line executives are directly responsible for any task. On the other hand, staff executives are basically advisor or expert and they basically give advice to line executives if they face any problem. For example, managing director is line executive and financial advisor and legal advisor are staff executive. If managing director need any advice related to finance and legal matter, then he can discuss with them. Now we will see diagram of line and staff organization. In this diagram, the solid line represent line relation and this dotted line represent staff relation. And here board of directors, managing director and manager A, manager B and manager C are line executives. And human resources manager, legal advisor, a financial advisor and assistant of MD are working as a staff executives. And human resources manager give advice to managing director related to HR and legal advisor will give advice to managing director related to legal matters. Same way, financial advisor will give advice related to finance and assistant of MD will help managing director for developing plans, goals of companies. Now we are going to talk about functional organizational structure. In this type of structure, we divide organization into different departments. In this type of structure, we divide organization into different departments based on their functions, expertise and specialization. Or we can say that in functional organization structure, we make a group of employees according to the function they perform. In this diagram, you can see here is CEO. Under this, we have so many departments like marketing department, production department, research and development department and human resource department. So here you can see we make so many department in organization according to their function. For example, marketing department will perform all function related to marketing, for example, advertisement or other sale promotion activity. And production department will manufacture product and research and development department will do innovation, generate new ideas and human resource department will recruit, select and take interviews of candidates. Now we are going to talk about project organizational structure. Here we create a hierarchy and authority of people who are involved in specific project. Here we create a hierarchy and authority of people who are involved in specific project. And this type of organization structure is temporary. We formed this structure for specific project for specific time period. Once our project is complete, this structure will disappear. For example, organization want to create a new technology so that they can improve their work. That's why for only 6 months they make one structure in which they involve a research team, hardware development team and software development team, and they hire one project manager who will see the work of all these teams. Now we are going to talk about matrix organizational structure. In this type of structure, team report to multiple leaders. In this type of structure, team report to multiple leaders. Means here employees have more than one boss, because this structure is combination of functional structure and project structure. This structure is combination of functional structure and project structure. We have already discussed about in functional structure we make department based on their function, and we make project structure for specific project. For example, specific project of product, services and technology. And matrix organization is combination of functional structure and project structure. Now we will see diagram of matrix organization structure. As we know, matrix organization structure is combination of functional organization structure and project organization structure. Horizontal side of this diagram represent functional organization structure. As we know, in functional organization structure, we divide organization into different departments based on their function. You can see here we have different departments based on their function, like production department, sales department, marketing department and finance department. So this side represent our functional organization structure, and vertical side represent project organization structure. Here we have project manager A, project manager B. And matrix organization structure is combination of functional organization structure and project organization structure. Second most important thing about matrix organization structure is that here team give reporting to multiple leader. In matrix organization structure, team give their reporting to multiple leader. For example, production team have dual reporting. They will give reporting to production manager as well as to project manager. Similar, sales team also have dual reporting. They will give reporting to sales manager as well as to project manager. So this is all about types of organization structure. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.